In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to share your screen on Discord. So if you want to share your screen on Discord, first, open your Discord server, then click on the General, below the voice channel. After clicking on the General, you will see that your voice has been connected and now you can share your screen. To do so, click here on the Share Screen option. Now here you can see three options. The first one is for sharing a specific application. The second option is to share the whole screen. And the third one is for capturing a device like a webcam, etc. So if you want to share your whole screen, then click on the screens. Now simply choose stream quality like resolution and frame rate. And then click on the Go Live option, and that's it. This is how you can share your screen on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching.